Welcome to Lincoln University's Carver Farm located on the eastern edge of Jefferson City. The approximately 150-acre farm is one of 3 farms owned and operated by the university. The Carver Farm bears the designation of being the most diverse farm the university has. With the Moral River lying just to the left of the timberline, this view is of the constructed wetlands that was put in place in a collaborative effort with the Missouri Department of Natural Resources. The constructed wetlands serve to complement the complex of outdoor ponds and aquaculture facility located immediately to the east and south of the wetlands. The aquaculture pond system is utilized for the production, research, and demonstration of fish in a pond setting. The species of fish used in this system range from bass, crappie, and bluegill. In addition to the pond system, the LU aquaculture program consists of a state-of-the-art indoor recirculating system. The recirculation system is made up of an array of various tanks for the breeding, spawning, and growing and production of various species of fish. Members of the aquaculture team perform research related to all stages of production, as well as outreach efforts to assist private producers from across the state. The Carver Farm has numerous open research plots ranging in size from 1/4 acre to 5 acres in size, for the research and demonstration of crops such as quinoa, blueberries, elderberries, industrial hemp, cover crops, eggplant, and squash. Topics which are being investigated include pest management, crop diseases, soil fertility, drought resistance, and variety development. In addition to the aquaculture and plant research, Carver Farm is home to livestock which include sheep, goats, and cattle. Operations of the farm include taking opportunities to integrate plants and animals whenever possible, as can be seen with the sheep grazing around the aquaculture ponds. The livestock are managed in a pasture-based system which emphasizes low inputs and a rotational grazing system. Likewise, the use of multi-species grazing increases pasture forage diversity and decreases the issues with internal parasites. The high tunnel structures at the Carver Farm are currently being used for research in the production of quinoa under drought-like conditions to determine the true drought resistance of quinoa plants. A third high tunnel structure is currently under construction with the anticipated completion date of the spring of 2022. High tunnels are used as a low-input system to extend the growing season for the crop of choice. Likewise, spring of 2022 will also see the completion of the principal investigator storage facility. This structure will serve for the storage of tools, equipment, and inputs utilized by the researchers in various open research plots at the Carver Farm. Additionally, a portion of the building will be utilized for the washing, weighing, processing, and packaging of the various crops grown at the Carver Farms. The Carver Farm is also in the process of adding a new complex of greenhouses that will be completed by the early summer of 2022. The facility will result in the addition of nearly 5,000 square foot of state-of-the-art greenhouse space for the research related to production of various crops. The small domed hoop type of structures are portable chicken coops. These coops allow for research in all stages of poultry production in a low-cost, low-input system that is often used by small producers. Additional facilities at the Carver include 2 greenhouses that are utilized for hydroponic research, an equipment storage shed, and a beef hoop barn, which is utilized for research related to the finishing of beef cattle in a covered environment as opposed to open feedlot. A common theme at the Carver Farm at the present time is the construction activities. When completed by the summer of 2022, this new facility will serve as a storage building for hay to be fed to the livestock during the winter months, as well as farm equipment utilized for the daily farm operations and research plot activities. The sheep barn at the Carver farm has offices, labs, a small ruminant animal surgery center, animal handling equipment, and a feed mixing room, along with outdoor pens to serve as the center of small ruminant research and demonstration activities at the Carver farm. The hub of activity at the Carver farm is the Carver Multipurpose building. This building is home to multiple labs, offices, and an auditorium room. The multipurpose building is utilized by the university as well as various public and private entities for meetings, workshops, and conferences throughout the year.